What's up, everybody? Back again. Got another one here. Been getting some really good cars lately. It's Matt at American Mustangs. We got a 1967 Shelby GT350. Arguably the hottest Shelby out of all the Shelbys, the 67s. This is a factory candy apple red, 4-speed. Beautiful car. It's been fully restored. And it really shows. A lot of effort was put into this car. I'll try to get down and so you can get a good idea how nice the paint really is on this car. .289 HIPO, 4-speed. Let's go to the interior. Super clean. Nice clean door jambs. I always love to see that. Black deluxe interior. Original Shelby steering wheel. It's got the 140 tack. 140 speedo, my bad. 8 grand tack with the red line. Car showing 79,000 miles. Dash pad's in excellent condition. Factory Ford radio. Factory oil pressure and amp gauge. Stuart Warner. 4-speed. Carroll Shelby signed the dash. Got the seat belt, how to wear your seat belt warning, your shoulder harness. Does have restored seat belts, Cobra seat belts. They got the FOMOCO tags on them. Fold down rear seat. There's the back of the deluxe seat trim. Super nice interior. Roll bar with the harnesses. And let's show you inside the trunk. This might require 2 hands. Nope, got it. Full-size spare. Beautiful trunk jams. Got the date codes in the panels right there, both sides. The right Plaza fiberglass sticker. Beautifully detailed car. It's got the right style trunk mat. Stitch corners. Alright, let's go to the engine bay. Stunning car. A little surprise. Paxton Supercharger. I was told it was an original unit. I'm trying to find a serial number on it to verify that. Original Shelby tag, car number is 2386. The cave in, you can see it right under there. Powered by Ford Cobra valve covers. Cobra intake, S7MS intake. Another important thing, the Shelby VIN stamp is right there. That should be on every 67 Shelby. If that number is not there, sometimes they get covered up with paint, but they should be there every time. It could be in this region, anywhere on this apron, but it's right there. Got the correct shock tower with the washers, auto light alternator. Super nice car. Outboards, it's a later car. Bottom side of this car is completely red oxide. Paint markings, super nice, 9-inch rear end. Start it up. Car fires right up. Aftermarket exhaust on it. It does have the factory K-code exhaust manifolds. They just changed the mufflers. Hear that Paxton pulling that air. Great sound. A little 289 HIPO thumping. Alright, well, unfortunately, I can't drive it. It's just too wet and nasty. The bottom side of this car is so nicely detailed. Really do not want to get it dirty. Tons of salt on the road. But anybody that's interested, come check it out. Weather gets a little better, you can drive it. 1967 GT350 4-speed with a Paxton candy apple red. Tons of pictures of the bottom side. Anybody that's interested, I can send you a link. Car is for sale as of right now. Call 304-731-6497. All right, thanks for watching.